Bonjour, ici Patrick Barnard. C'est un reportage spécial du Piment. Hello, this is Patrick Barnard with a special report, special Pimento report. Today there's a press conference being given by Sierra Club Québec. They are asking once again for a complete moratorium on those natural spaces in Montreal that are so rare and so endangered. They are also bringing attention to the marshlands and the woods in the Technoparc in the Ville de Saint-Laurent area. And they are going to issue letters to the two ministers of the environment, provincial and federal. That's Mr. David Hertel and Catherine McKenna of the federal government. Alors aujourd'hui, une conférence de presse, c'est axé sur cette question des marais et des bois tellement valables écologiquement dans la ville de Saint-Laurent, dans le site Technoparc. Alors Sierra Club aujourd'hui va demander encore une fois un moratoire absolu sur le développement sur les espaces naturels à Montréal qui sont si rares et en danger maintenant. Aussi, Sierra Club va écrire deux lettres. Une lettre au ministre de l'Environnement de Québec, M. David Hertel. L'autre lettre sera pour Catherine McKenna, ministre de l'Environnement à Ottawa. Alors, on va assister à cette conférence de presse. We're going to watch this press conference. Let's watch it now.
We're talking about the Technoparc in the borough of Saint-Laurent and the need to protect 100% of it because there's enough bird species that we found up there that are endangered, and the island of Montreal has so little green space that this is an important area. We're going to send some letters to the Minister of Environment in Ottawa and Quebec. That's what we'll give out later.
You have the highest concentration of bird species on the island of Montreal. You have three ponds and the wetlands, so the birds have sort of adopted this area. With all the development around the island of Montreal and around Montreal, these birds sort of found this area. So this area was like a little dark secret. And the number of species and the number of birds is overwhelming during breeding season. And that's why the numbers are, many biologists can't contest them. They're there, the birds are there. So these are beautiful wetland species. These are birds that migrate to Central America, to South America. They come back here to nest, and then they leave again. So if they come back next spring with, like a war zone construction site, we're going to lose these species.
We do have a letter to Minister Hertel explaining that the studies that he's done and the certificate of authorization that he's issued are outdated, and the studies should be redone and rethought. And to Minister McKenna in Ottawa, we've identified some species in that area that are on an endangered list and qualify for protection under Canadian law.
It would be a bad situation for the environmental ministry to be condemned a third time for not respecting its own law. The first time being with the belugas, second time with the western chorus frog, now the third time with the least bittern and another environmental jewel of Quebec.
Is Sierra Club holding the position that the totality of the marshes and the wetlands in this area should be conserved and preserved for future generations?
We had a meeting with Mayor de Sousa. There was a number of groups there, and I made that position very, very clear. The Sierra Club is saying 100% protection on this.